Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet a violet leaf. This is actually surprisingly super easy. So to get started, you want to chain 5. And joining us today is my tripod cat, which means that she only has 3 legs. She's missing her front right leg, but she is the sweetest and adorablest cat. Just a big love bug. So again, you want to start off by chaining 5. And all of the stitches from here will be worked in the last chain of the row. So to get started, we are going to work a treble crochet, followed by a double treble crochet, and then we're going to do a triple treble crochet. Now, if you need help with any of these stitches, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do these types of stitches. So next we're going to chain 4. And I'm going to show you what happens if you end up missing the next step. So if you end up missing the next step and going into your next stitch, what will end up happening is you will have a giant gap in between the leaves, or the leaf design, I suppose. So in order to make sure that this doesn't happen, let me go ahead and take that work back out. We are going to chain 4, and then in the top of the last, let me try that again. Into the last stitch of that chain, we are going to work a slip stitch, and that will tighten it off and give the violet leaf its nice pointy edge. Next, we are going to work a triple treble crochet. Again, these are all in the same stitch, followed by a double treble crochet, then a treble crochet. Next, we will chain 3, and we will join everything with a slip stitch at the end, and then you'll just fasten off your work, and there you have it. That is how you crochet a violet leaf. It's super fun, and I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did find this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.